Hello guys, today I want to show you how you can upload your projects to the Slack so that we can take it from there and send it to Mr. Asedu. To start with, let's assume that you want to send a project from your XAMPP. So what I have to do is to just click on my file explorer, go to drive C in the XAMPP folder. I'll go to the AT-DOS, and let's say I want to upload this file upload. Okay, I want to send this file to Eric or somebody on Slack. Okay, so this is the file that I have to send. Now when I open the file, realize that within the file hierarchy there is no database here. Okay, so if I send this file raw to Eric, realize that the database will be excluded. So the first thing I have to do is to export the database that comes with this file. So I have to go to XAMPP, open up XAMPP, and then start my Apache and then my SQL. Okay, so I will now click on admin on the MySQL, and then go to databases. When I get to databases, I will see file upload database, okay, which is the one I want to now export, right? So when I click on this, I will just click on export. Okay, so when I click on export, I will just go to go, and it will be exported for me. Okay, now this is the file that has been exported, including your tables and everything. Okay, the table structure and everything, the entries that we have done, they are all included in this particular or this single file. So I will just click on this arrow here and open the folder, or you can go to where it has been exported to, and then you right click and then you go to cuts. Okay, so I'm cutting it from the downloads folder. Okay, then go to my drive C again, and inside the XAMPP, the AT-DOS, there's a file upload folder here. Now I have to open that folder. I can create another folder and name it as database, okay, or DB or whatever. Then open that folder and then click on paste. Now when I click on paste, it brings out the exported database that is here. Now there's one thing that you can also add to this file. You can add something we call readme. Okay, so inside the folder, you right click on it, then you click on test document. Okay, then you just name it as readme. Now the readme documents allow you to maybe if there is a login details. Of course, if you are not using encryption, we can easily find out from the users tables or register table, whatever table that you have named it. But if you want to also show it, you can say that to log in into admin. Okay, you can say maybe username is equal to, or the username is maybe admin. Okay, you have to make it simple for us, and then password is maybe admin. Okay, so this is how to name. Maybe if you want to log into admin, sometimes you have a different login privilege. So maybe to log in as a student, or maybe use a different thing, you can say username is student. Okay, you are just describing the, and then password is maybe student again. Okay, and this will take you to the student page or whatever page that you want to do. So all the pages that you want to show, you can easily do that with this particular thing, so that we can easily log into your page if you are not using encryption, because when you encrypt the password and stuff, it's difficult to retrieve it back, right? So this is how you add the logme to readme to the file structure. Now you have gotten your database, you have given us instructions on how sometimes you can even explain how we can install the system and stuff, right? So when you get it like this all in one folder, just right click on this folder, go to send, and then click on compressed. So it will compress all the folder into a zip folder or a zip file for you, and this becomes one. Now if you get it like this, you can now open up the Slack. Okay, Slack is also an application that we can use for so many things like meetings and conversations and sending files and projects and what have you. Right, now when you open Slack, maybe you will not have this. I have different workspaces that I've been working with different people. Okay, so I've created this one, which is for Mr. Sedu's project. Okay, so when you click on yours, you will have only one. So when you have these, you have the announcement. There are channels that you can work with. So when you click on the channels, the drop down comes, and then you can click on announcement. When you click on announcement, you realize that when you send anything here, it goes to all members in the Slack. Okay, so when I click on announcement, I click and I send a message, say, hey guys, everybody on the Slack will get this message. Okay, but in this case, I want to just send a project to, let's say, Eric. Okay, so I'll just click Eric's name, and you see that this is a private conversation between you and Eric Owusu-Kwarteng. That's it. So it's only between me and Eric Owusu-Kwarteng. Okay, now I want to send it to Eric. So I will say, this is my PHP project. Okay, and then you can add all the messages you want to write, and then you go to attach file. So why are you attaching from the computer? Okay, so I just open it and go to drive C. In the XAMPP folder, I'll go to htdos, and then here, that's where I have my zip file. So file upload.zip. I will not use this, I have to use this one. Then I click on open. So when I open it, start uploading the file for me. Okay, and I think there are a lot of files in this folder, that's why it's taking longer time. Now especially if you're having pictures and stuff, it takes time. Okay, so when I finish with this, I'll just come and then say send. Okay, and then it will send together with my message to Eric, and only Eric will be able to view this file and upload it. Okay, and it's about 760 kilobytes. Okay, but the more you have pictures and videos in your files, remember that when you're uploading, it takes a longer time, and if I'm also downloading it, it will also take a lot of bundle and stuff. So try to make your files very simple and easy for downloading and sending. Okay, so that is all about sending your files through Slack. If you have any clarification, or if you didn't understand any part of this, you can just WhatsApp me or you call me, so that I will show you how to do it. Thank you very much.